This is my goal in. You see, like how you get yourself in a position now to be in big position in a Jamaica. Me I beg you, we no want the argument, we no want no quarrel. We place you in a position to assist Andrew. Because when you see Andrew slip and a slide, straighten him up, sir. So me no why you believe that Jamaica on the PMP side and labor rights. We not depend no kind of side. We depend Jamaica side. It's like how Andrew plan to care Haitian. Me I beg you stand up in a way like a roadblock and say, listen me out. We no want no Haitian here because Jamaica they are now work and Jamaicans want work. So if Jamaicans don't have enough work, where you get position if you go put Haitian if you come work? And where you go with the half on them? Look how much half on to have Jamaica. Mark Golden, make sure say like how the people might give you one little chance to see what you can do. Stop the argument and fight and a quarrel who win seat from who no win seat. Now one of the time for you talk about who win seat from who no win seat. We sit down in a big position to create big money. Me I beg you work with Andrew properly and we Jamaica now and Haitian here. We tired of the voodoo working and we tired of the gunshot. Else we go and plan and put out the two. Good.